To disassemble the sleeper, you will need a drill with a 1/2-inch socket attachment. Remove the safety straps. Remove back cushions and fully open each side of the bed. Using the drill, remove the center bolt from the back unit. This bolt will be shorter than the rest. Fold down the 2 back sections. Now remove the 2 bolts for the back on each side. Fold up the 2 back sections to the upright position. Lift up and remove the back section. Next, roll the sofa arms forward. The sofa should be laying on its faceplate. You will now remove the 2 bolts that hold on each arm. To access one bolt, you will have to reach under the extended sofa bed. The other bolt you will see closer to the back on the arm. Repeat for the other arm. The order you remove the 2 bolts doesn't matter. Lay out your safety straps. Fold the box down and close the bed sections. Reinstall the safety straps before moving the sofa box. To reassemble the sleeper, you will need a drill with a 1/2-inch socket attachment. Place the sofa box in the desired location. Remove the safety straps. Open both bed sections fully and tip the sofa box forward. Place the arm against the sofa box and line up one of your bolts and attach. Then line up the second bolt and attach it. Repeat for the other arm. Lay the sofa back down onto its feet. Place the back of the sofa onto the sofa box. There is a lip that the sofa back sits on. Using the only small bolt, attach the center bolt. Fold down the back sections. Now attach the 2 bolts for the back on each side. Fold the back sections into the upright position. Close the bed sections. Place the cushions back on the sofa.